Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this particular design. Okay, without wasting much time, let's just get into it. Now I used letter frames for the Paris. Um, this particular letter frames you can just search for. You can just search for the particular letter, maybe type letter P frame or letter A frame using the element section, and it's a lot of options is going to appear. Then you can go for the particular one that you want to use. Now this is letter P, this letter A, this I think I use this particular arrow, letter arrow, letter I, and letter S. So what I did was to make sure that they are in the same line. I use the smart guides to make sure that everything is equal. So this is it. I'm just going to increase this a bit. Now we have our P here, we have our A here, we have our arrow here, we have our I here, and then we have our S here. So I'm just going to group all of them and make sure that they are in the middle. So we have something like this. So we have Paris. This is Paris. Now the next thing I did was to look for a photo. Yeah, this is the particular photo I used. Picture of Eiffel Tower, and then I clicked on it and I removed the background of this photo. Okay, so this is it, and I'm just gonna keep this one side, and then I used the original photo, this, okay, and just placed it inside and adjusted it. This is what we have. So we have something like this. Okay. mm-hmm. So that's for P. I did the same for R. I had to arrange this well so I know how to place the next one. So make sure they are the same. This is arrow, and then I did the same thing for A. This. Just adjust it to make sure that it's the same. This is for I, and I did the same thing. I did the same thing for letter I. Just going to do this, drag it, drag it. This is it for letter I, and then the final step was for letter S. So I just placed it here, drag it, drag it. If you notice, you're going to see how I measured it. The image doesn't pass the letter frame, letter S frame, and also it doesn't pass the edge of the canvas. So this is it, Paris. Now I locked all of this. Sorry, I locked this. So when I want to, so it's not going to interfere with. It's not going to interfere with this design here. Now this, I think this is it, and then yep. So this, we have Paris. Ungroup all of that, take it, bring it down a bit. Oops. So this is Paris. Okay. Now the next thing I did was to just place this particular image here, the image, the Paris image and the background, and then I used this shape. I don't think this is okay. Yeah, this is for the other one. I used this shape, so the white shape, took it all the way to the back. So it kind of looks like, how will I put it? Like it's a masking effect, a photo masking effect, but in reality, it's not quite a masking effect because they are not exactly the same. Okay, it's not exactly the same. The arrangement is not the same. So now we have Paris. I just added a text which is vacation in, tilted it, and this is, oops, okay, reduce the line spacing, increase it a bit, change the color to blue, and then I added a photo so it looks like people are traveling. Okay, this is it. This is the photo I used. Just placed it here and added a drop down shadow, which didn't really do much by the way, so I just added it here, placed it to the back, reduce the transparency, increase the blur, and then I added a logo. I added an element that looks like a travel logo somewhere here, change the color, and that was how. Okay, I am not done, sorry. This is, we have the Paris, we have the text, effects PARIS, and then we have the image of the people traveling, of the people that want to travel, and we have the text here, the logo. The next thing I did was I added a plane. I'm going to have to lock all of these so the plane doesn't go inside the text frame. I am just going to lock this, and this is the plane here. And then I downloaded a PNG image of a cloud because I couldn't find that in Canva. I downloaded it from an external website, uploaded it, and this is it. This is it. So it's not all that visible because of the color. So this is it. Just placed it around, duplicated it, placed it somewhere here. It's not that visible. It's not. Oops. Yeah. And then the last thing I added was, where is it? Where are you? I think I added something. But I'm just gonna leave it. At least you get what I tried to do here. I used text frames. I used an image of Paris. I used a curved adjustable square. and that's pretty much how I arrived at this design. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video tutorial. Thank you. Bye bye.